Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI in order to increase your salary. So we will ask ChatGPT or for a salary average in our specific industry and ask it for ways to get promoted, and maybe we can use even the chat to make us an email for to ask for a promotion or a rise of salary. So guys, we need first to open our devices and then open any kind of browser. So for me, I'm going to use Google Chrome. Here, I will go ahead and type OpenAI. So here it goes. And basically now I will just go to the top of the website and click on try. So here we go. Now, as you can see, this page has opened for me. Now, what I'm going to do basically is just sign in. I have already signed in. For you guys, you have to sign in. So let's create an account if you don't have it already using like Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter account. It will be pretty simple and fast process. Now, let's ask this AI for so let's say, what is the salary average in the industry sector in Morocco, for example. So, I'm sorry I don't have the most recent data available on average salaries in the industry sector in Morocco. However, I can tell you salary in Morocco tend to be lower than those in many countries, Western countries. So, as you can see now, let's say about USA. So, um, USA, for example, maybe we'll find something in 2020, for example. So now we will see. Um, Basically, this AI is not updated to 2023. It's the latest data that he got is from 2021, I think. So that's why if I ask about current data, it will not have it. So let's wait to see what it's gonna answer us about this question. So let's give it some time. Here we go. Let's wait. I will just pause the video and wait for it until it answers me. So back to you guys. It is now currently answering me. The average salary in the industry sector in the United States 2020 may vary depending on the specific industry and location. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, in May 2020, the median annual wage of all workers was 39k or 40k, if you can say that. So now let's see how can I get a raise in the salary. So let me just pause. And let's see. There are several ways to potentially increase your salary, negotiate during the hiring process, etc. Perform well in your current role. So it will start giving us like pretty much the answer. Now let's stop it and can you write me salary raising demand email? So now subject request for salary increase, and as you can see now, it will start writing us an email to actually express that we need a salary increase. So yeah guys, that's how you can use this AI for doing all of these tricks or jobs. Thanks a lot for watching and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.